Motorcycle accident attorney in the New York City. Bike accident liar. When you suffer a motorcycle accident, you can count on us get a fee case view now. Calls answered. Motorcycle accident victim. Get a liar accident. Motorcycle accident can be difficult, but we are here for you. Since 1988, Morgan and Morgan has fought to get victims fair compensation and the means to move forward with their lives. If you have been injured, let us help. At Morgan and Morgan, our attorneys will focus on your case by gathering evidence, consulting with experts, and negotiating with the insurance company on your behalf so that you can focus on getting your life back on track. Client success stories that inspire and drive change. It's easy to get started. The fee is free. Only pay if we win. Step 1. Submit your claim with a free case evaluation. Submitting your case is easy with Morgan and Morgan. Step 2. We take action. Our dedicated teams get to work investigation your claim. Step 3. We fight for you. If we take on the case, our team fights to get you the result you deserve. No fee unless we win. Motor vehicle accident law firm. If your hometown car accident liars. Need a liar for a car accident. What is the car accident settlement? A settlement is an agreement between the person who caused the accident or their insurance company and the person who was hurt in the accident. This could happen at any time before or during a trial. During discussion, one side can ask the other to pay a fee. Settlements are usually preferable to going to court because they save everyone time, money, and work. If they cannot agree, the case will be heard on in court. Motorcycle crash liar. Expert legal aid for motorcycle injuries. Immediate estimates, all powered estimates. Fast motorcycle accident legal help. Your reliable guide to legal solutions. CollisionConsole.com. A New York City motorcycle accident lawyer. New York City motorcycle accident lawyer. New York City motor accident lawyer. Why are you were you recently injured in a New York motorcycle accident? Reach out to us today at 212 9698616 to schedule your free case review with a trusted New York City motorcycle accident lawyer from Rizonbaum PC. We will discuss the way we can help recover compensation based on what happened in your case, how a lawyer can help after a New York motorcycle accident. New York motorcycle accident lawyer. Motorcycle accident lawyer on the blasting streets of New York City. Motorcyclists and passengers are confronted with traffic hazards every day. Busy and distracted drivers are everywhere and often unaware of the motorcycle riders traveling lawfully by their side. Motorcyclists can end up in a serious motorcycle crash for many potential reasons. Maybe they were sideswiped by speeding motorists or were tripped by debris on a narrow road. Whatever the circumstances, the result can be devastating. Some New York City motorcyclists who are struck by vehicles and sustain serious injuries choose to handle their case alone, believing that they can save money on attorney fees. Failing to consult a motorcycle accident lawyer as soon as possible after a motorcycle crash may complicate and delay your case. Individuals without legal experience may not realize how much paperwork is involved in managing a personal injury case. Not to the mention, there is also the state of recovering from injuries, missing work, and finance. If you were on a motorcycle and were hit by a neglecting driver in New York City, don't wait to schedule for your free consultation with William Matter Law Offices. We have been helping motorcyclists obtain fair compensation in personal injury case for over 30 years. Get in touch with our legal team today by calling 716-869-9534. What does a New York motorcycle accident attorney do? New York City motorcycle accident lawyer take on money duties for personal injury case. They must have the applicable knowledge of subjects such as court-mandated guidelines and the required documentation. In addition, your accident attorney will help collect the evidence necessary to build your legal case. For your case, the New York City motorcycle crash injury attorney will collect evidence essential to support your claim, talk to witness, communicate with defenders, draft legal briefs for review by the court. Contact an experienced New York City motorcycle accident attorney. If you are looking for one of the best New York City motorcycle accident attorney to handle your case, consider contacting William Matter Law Offices at our firm. We fight for motorcyclists, right, and do everything we can do. Get maximum compensation for your clients. Our achievements. We are proud to share that William Matter PC has been recognized multiple times as one of the best companies to work for in New York. As a firm focused on helping people, we understand that this starts with how we treat each other. We are happy to be recognized for creating such a notably, notably positive work environment. Best motorcycle accident lawyer in New York, said and Kaufman attorney at law is one of the 19 best motorcycle accidents in the New York City. New York motorcycle accident lawyer near you.